This episode of America's Garage, sponsored by Hot Shot Secret, powered by science. Da 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 da. Anyway, I'm not doing the editing for that. Okay, I got Chive TV, my Chive flag, Chive group. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, what we are doing today, and I'm saying this because I did not pay for the Frantz filter, red, white, and blue, made in America, is we are installing this on gasoline engine, high performance, high performance muscle car engine, right? 1970 Buick 455 stage 1 engine. It is in my 69 Buick. So if you're a fan of the show, like, subscribe, YouTube, TikToks, all the social media, Twitters and Twitters and glitters and whatnots. All right, so why are we installing the Frantz filter that I did not pay for? Because it is a super awesome micron filter that any oil that you product that you buy off the shelf, this will filter it cleaner than the particulates that you can test and get from the shelf. This stuff paid for, it's expensive, so I am not going to waste this every 3 months. I cannot afford it. And those of you that are running the high quality stuff like Schaefer's, if that's what you want, I suggest you install some FR3 friction reducer. It is already installed in this product, which is great for these older engines. I don't have to worry about zinc because I got zinc. I don't have to worry about oxidants in it because, you know, if the car's in storage, we don't want anything to rust. There's an antioxidant built into the FR3 or some science, tribology stuff. I don't know. This adapter I bought from Summit. It's DAPT, I think it is. Don't know what the model number is. It comes with the extension, so when it's installed on your car, you can have your regular filter. Yeah, it's a Wix filter. I don't care. Okay. The adapters that I got are from Ace Hardware. They're 3/8 by 1/8 hex bushing. Okay. So we're going to install those. I'm going to put a 90 and a 45 on it. I'm going to put these two fittings on it that came with the package. Again, when you buy this Frantz filter from Hot Shot Secret, use promo code HOTRODSECRET. We want to make sure that your hot rods stay on the road. You don't have to change this every year. If you're running this, if you're not running it, you still don't have to change it every year, but you can get an independent oil analysis, and I trust you, or trust me, trust somebody else, that if you send your oil analysis off, you will be very happy with the outcome, okay? So don't take my word for it. Don't take Hot Shot's word for it. Send it out for an independent study if that's what you need to do. But there needs to be more muscle cars staying on the road. You're going to get a little bit of better performance because of the lubricity in this 100% synthetic. Nobody else can make this stuff. And they come out with a new product called RV Easy Slide. Now this is going to be great because it's not a lithium-based product where it's sticky and gummy inside the slide rails of this electric interior on this old 69. The seat slides, the window regulators, your door hinges, okay? I don't have to use it just for RV, but that's what they developed it for. They've got another product coming out soon you guys should be looking at. It's going to be a great undercoating. It's not going to destroy stuff, and it has thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of saltwater wash. So it's not coming off easy. It's not this product, but it will be coming out soon. And I can't wait to get it because I want to treat the underside of my 69 Buick and everything else with the product. It's not going to hold moisture. It's not going to hold dirt. It's going to refract the moisture, create a moisture barrier, so we're not having stuff that rust out. And it's not a paint either. So I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it is pretty cool stuff. Yeah, so again, sponsored by Frantz and Hot Shot Secret. Check them out. Use promo code HOTRODSECRET, and you'll get some pennies saved, some dollars saved. And we're going to flip back over to the installation on the 455 engine.